Welcome to PBXDom. In this video, you will be introduced to the basics of utilizing the dashboard interface. The features covered in this video are creating a dashboard, removing a dashboard, configuring a dashboard and switching between different display modes, sharing a dashboard, refresh and last update time, as well as adding and configuring widgets. To create a dashboard, move your cursor on the horizontal bar and then click on the Add button. A pop-up dialog appears on the screen. Simply enter the dashboard name of your choosing and click the Add button. All dashboards you create are listed under the drop-down menu to the left of the Add button. To view the list, click on the drop-down menu and choose the dashboard you wish to view. To remove an existing dashboard, make sure you are in the dashboard you wish to remove by choosing it from the dashboard drop-down menu, then clicking on the Remove button. Keep in mind that the dashboard you are currently viewing is the one that will be removed. After clicking the Remove button, choose Yes in the pop-up dialog to confirm you want to remove the dashboard. You can also rename or set a default dashboard by clicking the Dashboard Configuration button, which is the multiple gears button to the left of the dashboard drop-down menu. Once you have made the appropriate configurations, click the Save icon. Another useful feature is the ability to switch display modes. The default display mode is standard, as you see here. But if you wish to view your dashboard on a larger monitor, you can choose full screen or full screen and rotate. Full screen and rotate is useful if you have multiple dashboards and wish to view each one at 1-minute intervals. Please note that when in full screen modes, you can only view the dashboards, not work with them. There may be instances when you want to share a dashboard. To do so, click the Share button, then click the Generate New Share URL. Doing so will allow you to generate a Google shortened URL that you can select and copy and can be shared to direct the recipient to a read-only display of the current dashboard. The recipients do not have to be within your company, and sharing does not give them the ability to control or modify the dashboard. Once you have copied the URL, click Done. The link does work for those who are not logged into PBXDom. PBXDom gives users the ability to view a list of all the URLs generated via the Share option. To manage the list of generated URLs, click the Share button, then click Manage Your Shared Dashboard. You will be taken to the Account Settings section and the Shared Dashboard tab. Here you will be able to view the name of the dashboard shared, the URL, when it was created, and the ability to remove the URL link permanently. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to set refresh time for each dashboard. Making sure you are in the dashboard you wish to set the refresh time for, and click the clock icon located here. You will then be presented with a drop-down list of predefined refresh times. By default, refresh time is set to auto. Simply choose your refresh time to set a new refresh time. You can see when the dashboard was last refreshed by viewing the Last Updated Time next to the clock icon. Keep in mind that you can refresh the page manually at any time by simply refreshing the page or pressing Ctrl-R on the keyboard. Adding, configuring, and removing widgets from your dashboard is simple. Choose the Add Widget button to the far right of the menu bar. A pop-up window will appear with options to give the widgets a title, or a title will generate automatically based on the options you choose. Choose a date range for a specific date. For example, if you want this widget to show data for all of September, select from September 1st, 2018 to September 30th, 2018. You can also choose a predefined date range from the Date Range drop-down menu. For example, current week, current month, or last 7 days. When you select a predefined date range, the From and To fields are automatically populated. By choosing Dynamic Mode, a widget automatically rolls over to allow the date to change as the current date changes. For example, if you want to add a widget and always show the call traffic for the last 7 days, you would check Dynamic Mode and select Last 7 Days from the predefined options. The Days Hours filter is an additional filter that functions in between the dates selected. For example, if you select the specified date, like my previous example for September, but you want that widget to show the information for only Saturday and Sunday, we should select Saturday and Sunday and enter time from 0000 hours to 23:59. So that widget shows information for all of September, Saturday and Sunday, and excludes information for all other days. Additionally, if you selected the dynamic mode, the same thing happens. Also, you can use the Except check for reverse filter. For example, if you want a widget to show data for all days in September to exclude the Saturday and Sunday, you should select Saturday and Sunday and enter the time 0000 hours to 23:59 and check the Except so that widgets show the information for all of September but excludes Saturday and Sunday. Next, choose the type of widget assigned to a particular department or group. When you select a specific department, the widget shows data for only those departments' phones and not all of your organization. And assign a site or location. This is useful if you have more than one PBX phone system. You can set the widget to only show data from one of them. When you do not make a selection, the widget will show data for all of your PBXs. For example, if you have 3 buildings and each has a PBX, you would find 3 of them in this option and could add a widget for each building. Once all of the information is complete, click Add. If you need to reconfigure any widget, simply click the gear icon located at the top right corner of all widgets. A pop-up window will appear and you can make any changes necessary. To remove a widget from your dashboard, click the X located at the top right corner of all widgets. A pop-up window will appear confirming your request. Click Yes or No. Widgets can also be arranged within the dashboard. Simply hold your left mouse button down in the header of the widget and move to the desired location within the dashboard.